Are you trying to change the aspect ratio of your videos using CapCut on your PC, but not sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your video's aspect ratio, whether you want to make it perfect for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform. And you'll be able to do it confidently and quickly every time. First things first, go ahead and open up CapCut on your computer. If you're new to this software or just haven't used it in a while, you'll notice CapCut's interface is friendly and modern. It should only take a few seconds to load up and get started. Now, once CapCut is open, look for that Create New button, usually front and center in the Start menu. Clicking this is basically starting a fresh workspace, just like opening a blank notepad to jot down new ideas. Waiting for the project window to launch? Don't worry if it takes a moment, especially if your PC is multitasking behind the scenes. Next up, you'll select the Blank Canvas option. This might sound obvious, but choosing a blank canvas sets you up with a clean slate, no distractions, no preloaded content. I recommend always starting this way so you can control every aspect of your edit. Think of this as prepping your kitchen counter before you start cooking. Clear space leads to better results. Once your blank project is ready, it's time to bring in a sample video. You can use any clip you like. The point is to have something on your timeline so you can actually see the aspect ratio change as you make adjustments. If you're experimenting or just learning, maybe grab a short video, like a few seconds of footage from your phone, so everything loads up quickly. With your video loaded, focus your attention on the upper left area of the CapCut workspace. You'll notice a square-shaped icon with a dotted outline. This is the aspect ratio selector. Sometimes it's easy to overlook, but it's a powerful little tool, almost like a Swiss Army knife for tailoring your videos to fit different screens. If you hover over it with your mouse, you'll often see a tooltip pop up to confirm you're in the right spot. Go ahead and click that icon. When you do, a menu will open up showing several different aspect ratio options, like 16:9 for widescreen, 9:16 for vertical videos, 1:1 for perfect squares, and more. Here's where you decide what shape your video should be. For example, if you're editing for YouTube, 16:9 is your best bet. TikTok or Instagram stories, go for 9:16. Maybe you're making a video for a digital photo frame or a custom display. Just pick the ratio that fits your purpose best. As soon as you select your desired aspect ratio, CapCut will automatically update the canvas and crop or add padding around your video as needed. Watch closely as the preview changes. This is a great time to double-check that nothing important gets cut out of the frame. If you do lose something you wanted, you can always adjust the position of your clip or even zoom out a bit until you're happy with how it fits. And that's it. You've changed the aspect ratio of your video in CapCut PC. With these simple steps, you can prep your content for wherever you want to share it. No more worrying about black bars or awkward cropping. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with another CapCut feature. Make sure to subscribe for more easy, clear guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.